In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix StreamYard not working. We'll keep it simple and focused on the two most common causes: missing camera and microphone permissions, and using a browser that StreamYard doesn't fully support. Follow along, and you should be up and running in just a couple of minutes. First, let's make sure StreamYard can use your camera and microphone. Open StreamYard in your browser and enter the studio. This is the page where you normally see your preview before going live. Look at the address bar at the top of your browser and click the small camera icon there. In some browsers, this may appear as a lock icon that opens site permissions, but the idea is the same. In the Permissions panel, set Camera to Allow and set Microphone to Allow. These settings tell your browser it's okay to share your devices with StreamYard. StreamYard needs permission to access your devices, and if either one is blocked, your video or audio won't show up, even if everything else is correct. Once both are set to Allow, refresh the page so the changes take effect. After the refresh, you should see your camera preview return and the microphone levels responding to your voice. If you previously denied access, you might see a prompt appear again. Choose Allow. If StreamYard is still not working, the next thing to check is your browser. Log out of StreamYard so you're fully signed out. Then open Google Chrome. Chrome usually works best for StreamYard streaming because it supports the web technologies StreamYard relies on more consistently than many other browsers. With Chrome open, go to StreamYard and log in again. Returning through Chrome often resolves odd glitches, black screens, or silent microphones that appear in less compatible browsers. Once you're back in the studio, you should see your camera and mic ready to go. If Chrome asks for permission to use your camera or microphone, choose Allow so the studio can access your devices. To recap, most StreamYard problems happen because the camera or mic permission was blocked in the browser or the wrong browser was being used. By allowing those permissions and switching to a supported browser like Chrome, you'll solve the majority of issues quickly. That's all you need to do. Open StreamYard, allow the camera and microphone, refresh, and, if needed, log out and come back through Google Chrome. With those two steps, your stream should be back on track and ready for your next broadcast.